And hi everyone, good morning. As you can see, I am quite pregnant and getting into my 5th month of pregnancy. But whether or not you're pregnant like me, we're gonna do this amazing pose that will give you a lot of benefits. And this is called the yogi squat or malasana. And as you can see, you can very much adjust and customize your position when getting into malasana. So the trick is to move and push away the knees using the elbows, bringing your hands into a prayer pose. And what this gives you is healthy digestion. Regularly stretching in this position can help to release gases trapped in your intestine. This also strengthens the lower body. And if you're like me, it provides relief during pregnancy and is a good way to reduce stress, depression, and anxiety. It also provides better posture, a wonderful way to improve your posture because the pose is meant to bring your spine into a straight position and your hips balanced. It also relieves a lot of back pain. So if you sit in the computer all day long, then you are bound to have aches and pains, but this is a good way to relieve that and to prevent future pain because it aligns your spine and release pressure from your lower back. And then to release, just come back into a seated position. Breathe in and breathe out and enjoy the rest of your day.